Hello guys, let's check naman yung mga hotels sa Basel, Switzerland. So, let's find out for 10 days, 10 nights. Accommodation dito. So, check tayo. Popularity, based on popularity. 4-star hotel. Maglagad tayo ng breakfast. Check din natin. Oops. Okay. Let's see price low to high. 156 for 10 nights. High to low. 400,000. Let's have 4-star hotel and 3-star hotel. Okay. Closest to the city center. Let's see the apart hotel. Hotel Choice Basel. Vision Apartment Basel. B&B Breakfast B&B. City Pop 213,000. Airport Hotel Holiday Inn. Okay, next. 3-star hotel. That's all. Okay. Let's see. May 5-star kaya. Check natin. May 5-star hotel. No breakfast, 5-star hotel. Okay. Then, guest rating. Atomic rental. Nearest bed and breakfast. 8 kilometer. Ito, 100-meter Lime Home. Sa Basel. 1.3. 2.4. 1.1. 1.4. 3. Ito, Hotel Med. Ito, check natin. So, ayan, tingnan natin. 413,000 4-star hotel. Chic yung style ng ano niya, ng hotel niya. Apart hotel, chic. Okay. Let's see. Nearby. Basler. Bedroom double apartment. Possibly 8.2. Excellent. Good location. Okay, next, Hotel Schwitzer Castle 1.1. Okay. Mukhang old na yung hotel.
No, stop.
Business double villa. Business double. Valuation partner nasa double studio. Plus grand double. Grand. Marriage or kitchen, dishwasher, wardrobe. Okay. It's 260. So, glass. They modern. Hotel bus.
Okay? Into.
Ay, wow, nice.
No, scary.
Very. Ito naman minimalist.
Into.
Ganda.
Into.
Oh, may parking. Oh. Ganda yung style ng ano. Very good. And it's 200,000. 202,000. Surplus included. Okay, next. City Park. Tonight. Self-check-in. Ito naman self-check-in.
Hey. Hey guys, okay, Papa. Come on. No. Idag ska pappa jobba.
May bawas na.
Okay? Okay. Bra.
Okay.
Idag ska pappa jobba.
Hindi na ngayon lang. Double studio, apartment, double apartment. Doon ka anak. Oh, nice. Parang pang business traveler. Dating yan ito. Ganda. Ganda siya. Okay, next. Holiday Inn Express. 180,000. Ito simple lang. Double bed, 18 square meter. 14 square meter. 24 square meter to double suite. 24 square meter.
Idag ska pappa jobba.
Okay, next. 308 rental vessel. Wow. Yun naman very, light. Yung ambience niya. Or light lang siya. Minimalist. Light lang yung hotel. May kitchen. Apartment. So, pang family. Bedroom apartment with balcony. So, it's 330. Parang walang makalit. Ano siya kalaki? Parang hindi ko nakita. Yun lang. Size ng room. City Center, take a walk to neighborhood area. Chinting Buenoseo, Muscle Natural History. So may 10 rooms only. So this is an apartment. So that fantastic. 10 ang rating niya. Great. Mukhang bago lang siya. Bago lang ang hotel. So let's see. Next. 9. Rate niya. Sa reviews. Wonderful, very close, comfortable. Seamless check-in. Very nice. Wonderful location. Double suite, comfort double suite. Bedroom comfort. Maganda. High HD rin siya. So, Ito yung gusto ko sa mga hotel, yung meron ganun. May study table, tapos may extra chair. Kaya may sofa. Tapos merong amenities na gym. Okay, next. Let's go Hotel Marian. Basel South Check-in. Simple lang din itong hotel. And it's 275,000 per room. So, ito na lang tayo. Street apartment. So, 235,000 spot cash. Simple lang siya. So, ito yun. So, malaki siya, 38 square meter. Hair dryer, may private bathroom, TV, hair dryer. Malaki siya. May bago niya. Parang may kitchenette. Okay, so ayun lang. Thank you for watching. So, comment nyo lang kung ano yung mga gusto nyo i-search online. Kung gusto nyo magpatulong, magpahanap ng mga or magpa-quote ng tours. Combination tours, pwede yan. Pwede natin gawin. So, comment below or reach out sa Facebook namin para ma-help namin kayo. So, thank you.